to our channel.
I'm Shaylin.
And I'm Caleb. In today's video, we're gonna show you around Canoa, Ecuador. This is just a little beach town in Manabí, and it has been the closest town to us on the permaculture farm we've been living in for the past 4 months. If you want to hear more about the permaculture farm life, go and check out our last video and see what that's all about.
Canoa is a small beach town in Manabí, Ecuador. It's about a 7-hour bus ride from Guayaquil and a 10-hour bus ride to Quito. The town is quite small. It has a population of 5,000 to 6,000 people, and on the weekends it's a party town. Lots of people from the cities come to Canoa Beach Town, and a lot of locals come out to the little beach town and have a great time.
Temperatures in the area are definitely warm and tropical. You've got the beach vibes, but it's not as hot as some of the other places in Ecuador. It's never crazy where we don't even want to go outside. It usually ranges somewhere between maybe 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think is between maybe 23 to 30 degrees Celsius. So it is definitely beach weather, and the entire beachfront is lined with tons of little bamboo cabanas selling all manner of seafood.
Since it's on the coast, the seafood prices can be a little bit higher compared to your average $2.50 lunch in other towns outside of the coast of Canoa. So you're looking at a price range between $5 to $10 a meal while you're in that town.
Also along the beachfront, basically on the other side of the street from all the seafood cabanas, is you have all of the hostels that are on the beachfront. They range from all sorts of prices. You can get a really nice place with a nice room and a pool and air conditioning, maybe $40 to $60 a night, but you could also just get a simple hostel room for maybe $10 a night, or maybe even a shared dorm for less than that.
There are a few stores and places to have your laundry washed, but I wouldn't expect too many options for stores, but they do have a surplus of produce, and also you can find along the coast as well in other alleys people selling handcrafted jewelry, which is really awesome because they are beautiful and they have them for great prices.
A couple of spots we might recommend visiting if you do check out Canoa are the hostel Coco Loco. Has good prices, good rooms, and good internet, as well as the hostel Samai, which has good rooms, pretty good internet, and really good prices. It is one of the only places that serves vegetarian options in Canoa. You won't find too much of that, but one of the few places that does have vegetarian options is Samai. As far as restaurants go, there is a good place called Charlie Bar, and there is quite a few saboremes along the beach. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, I think, different saboremes, all numbered. And they all serve really good food. For the price that Shay mentioned, you can get a good seafood dish between $5 to $10.
It can get quite busy on the weekends.
It sure can.
And you can find live music and grab yourself a beer along the Malecon.
The vibe of the town is laid back and generally pretty relaxed. If you're looking for somewhere off of the beaten path in a more rural part of Ecuador, somewhere you can get some sun, some sand, and some seafood, I would definitely recommend Canoa, Ecuador.
We definitely enjoyed our time spent here. It will definitely be missed. We had a lot of great memories. Miss it already. If you're ever in Ecuador, put Canoa on your list.
Thank you for everyone watching. Thank you to all of our subscribers. We could not do it without you. It means so much to us for your continued support. If you want to help support us to travel and explore this beautiful planet of ours, please give us a thumbs up on the video and hit that subscribe button.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.